What does low cut on mean?
Right, low cut,
Oh,
is it on? Yeah.
Yeah. Auto level.
Wants to.
Oh. Wow.
Okay.
Yep.
He's connecting the microphone up now. No, if you check the levels, I'll keep talking. And can you hear me really clearly?
Speak again.
And it's not distorting at all. I know it's a bit difficult with my voice at the minute because it's a bit growly, but
It's not distorting if I can hear it.
that's just okay. What level, what number's it at?
58.
58, probably be about right. Okay, so we'll test it again once we've got Scott, but
Okay.
you're fairly comfortable using that stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, press the red button. No, don't press the red button, we don't need to record. Just switch it off and save the battery. Yep.
Format that.
Set everything up.
Yeah, it's all set up on all them.
Do you want me to do voiceover 1, voiceover 2, voiceover 3?
Yeah.
That's attached on.
Your mic on.
That's what I'm checking.
No, switch at the back of the mic, sweetheart. If you get yourself in position, then get Scott to say something.
Do I need to have this in hands or can I put it down?
Yeah, you'll need that because you need to press it to go, don't you? So once you get yourself comfy and then...
Say something for me.
Hello there, my name is Scott. And how are you today?
Okay.
Can you keep saying something quickly?
Is
If everything is alright, would I be able to tell you a story?
that working okay, yeah?
Yeah, seems no static. That's on level 60.
Okay, hold on then.